an Indian student and prepared for any of the competitive exams that are designed by the government of India, the state apparatus or the central apparatus, chances are that you very often encounter this one book which is commonly available at every bookstore. Nook and corner pe aapko ye mil jati hai. These are the Arihant books. Now the question is that can anyone complete the Arihant books properly and ensure that they are able to clear the net JRF? You'll be utterly surprised. My answer is going to be yes to 100%. अगर आप अरिहंत को ये दो तीन चीजें आपको ध्यान में रखनी होती है. सबसे पहले, डोंट जस्ट फोकस ऑन Arihant's main text but also look at Arihant's previous year's questions. So it's very important firstly to ensure that आप सिर्फ अरिहंत की बुक को देख रहे हैं, बट आप इनके जो प्रीवियस ईयर्स क्वेश्चंस हैं उनको भी डेफिनेटली कवर कर रहे हैं. सो दैट इज वन स्ट्रैटेजी. द सेकंड इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट यू हैव टू कवर द बुक कवर टू कवर. अरिहंत के हर एक चैप्टर के अंदर you get questions. You need to cover those questions, evaluate your learning, evaluate your understanding. Even though old Arihant थोड़ी सी better है क्योंकि pre chat GPT time से ही पहले they were way advanced and they tabulated all the information and gave it to us. But having said that, Arihant ko bhi, if you cover it properly, it becomes a beautiful compendium to tell you about what are the units that you have to cover. हर एक chapter के अंदर what are the aspects that you must definitely know. So it becomes a good companion for you. Of course, उसके साथ if you kind of add on and do a little extra internet research on the writers, you read it with the previous year's papers to understand what kind of questions are currently coming, then both of these books can actually be very helpful for you to actually clear the exam. So the thing is, the way you strategize and use both the resources, and definitely even they can be a great useful compendium to clear the June attempt.